Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an Airbnb gift card to your account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, so the first method is using the official website of Airbnb. Make sure to log in or create an account. Once you've done that, click on your profile in the upper right hand corner and select account from the drop down menu. And then you want to navigate to payments and payouts. So in the left hand menu, click on payments and payouts. Scroll down to the gift card section and click on redeem a gift card. Enter gift card information. So enter the gift card code and click redeem gift card. And then the balance will be added to your account and you can use it for future bookings. Now, if you're using the Airbnb app on your mobile device, go ahead and open it up. Make sure to log in or create an account if you haven't got one. Once you've done that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, then select account. Tap on payments and then payouts, and then scroll down and tap on redeem a gift card. Enter the gift card code and tap redeem. The gift card balance will be added to your account for future bookings. A little side note here, so when you're booking a stay or experience, the available gift card balance will automatically be applied at checkout. If the booking amount exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining amount using another payment method.